Hi guys, this is Anil Kumar and you all are most welcome on our YouTube channel Leagro Institute. So all my lovely friends, today I have come with a new video, and in this video I'll talk about 20 basic English questions for beginners. So guys, this video is gonna be very special for everyone, and in this video I'll talk about 20 basic English questions for beginners. So guys, whenever we are talking with anybody in English, so that time we face many types of problems like how to ask question in English. So guys, in this video, if you watch this video till the end, then your problem is gonna be solved. Okay, so guys, just keep watching this video till the end, and I'm going to tell you about one by one, and with very easy way, and you can understand very easily. Okay, so your first question is that which one do you prefer, veg or non-veg? If you want to ask anybody which one do you prefer, veg or non-veg, then you can ask which one do you prefer, veg or non-veg. Okay, so your answer is that I prefer most non-veg. If you want to say non-veg, then you can say non-veg, or if you want to say veg, then you can say veg. It depends upon your choice. Okay, you can also say I prefer most veg, I prefer most non-veg. If you like both, then you can say I like both, I prefer both. Okay, your second question is that do you like touring? Do you like touring? This is your second question. Do you like touring? It means do you like to visit? Okay, so if you like to visit many places, then you can say yes, I like touring. If you don't like to visit many places, then you can say no, I don't like touring. Okay, so your third question is that do you like internet surfing? Guys, internet surfing means like whenever your internet is weak, like your internet connection is poor and it's not working properly, so that time you can say do you like internet surfing? It means do you like internet problem? So if you don't like internet problem, and obviously many people they don't like internet problem, they think that my internet connection should be very fast and very strong, okay, like very good, there should be no any poor network. Okay, so you can say no, I don't like internet surfing. It means no, I don't like internet problem. Okay, then you can say. And your fourth question is that do you know singing? It means do you know how to sing a song? So you can also ask do you know how to sing a song, or you can directly ask do you know singing? So if you know singing, then you can say yes, I know singing. If you don't know singing, then you can say no, I don't know singing. Okay, your fifth question is that do you know playing any musical instruments? Guys, musical instruments. So if you play any musical instruments like piano, guitar, sahnai, so you can say yes, I play any musical instruments. If you don't play any musical instruments, then you can say no, I don't. No, I don't play any musical instruments. Okay. Do you like watching movie in cinema hall? Your sixth number question is that do you like watching movie in cinema hall? So most of people, not most of people, but some people they like watching movie in cinema hall. So if you also like watching movie in cinema hall, then you can say yes, I like watching movie in cinema hall. Okay, if you don't like, then you can say no, I don't like watching movie in cinema hall. Your seven number question is that do you watch Discovery Channel on TV? Okay, guys, do you watch Discovery Channel on TV? So if you watch Discovery Channel on TV, then you can say yes, I watch. Yes, I watch Discovery Channel on TV. If you don't watch, then you can say no, I don't watch Discovery Channel on TV. Okay. Your eighth number question is that which channel do you watch more often? Which channel do you watch more often? Your eighth number question. I watch Sony Paul channel more often. Okay, like many times. If you watch any channel, like you have too much interest about that channel, so you can say I watch Sony Paul channel more often. It means like more and more. Okay. Your nine number question is that does your friend look very handsome? Okay, does your friend look very handsome? So if your friend looks very handsome, then you can say yes, my friend looks very handsome. Your 10 number question is that which jobs do you like most? It means you like that job very much. Okay, So I like teacher's job most. Okay, guys, I have interest in teaching. So I have written I like teacher's job most. If you have interest in other job, then you can write I like this job. Okay, no problem. Your next question is that do you like business? Okay, do you like business? If you like business, then you can say yes, I like business. If you don't like business, then you can say no, I don't like business. Okay, your next, it means 12 number question is that what do you think of teaching profession? What do you think of teaching profession? Okay, so if you think that teaching profession is a good job, it's a great job, it's a very nice job in our society, then you can say yes, I think. Guys, there is one spelling mistake, THINK. Okay, you can write think, THINK, think. Okay, you can write think. I think teaching profession is a great and respectful job. Okay. Your 13 number question is that what do you think of a police officer? It means what do you think about a police officer? Like how is police officer? How is their work? So you can tell, okay, according to your opinion. So I have written, I think police officer is doing a great job because they serve for our nation. Okay, guys. Your next question is that it means your 14 number question is that do you go for shopping? Okay, so if you like to go for shopping, then you can write. If you don't go for shopping, then you can write no, I don't go for shopping. So I have written yes, I go for shopping. Do you like gardening? Okay, guys, gardening means like you like to plant many types of trees in your garden. Okay, so you can write yes, I like gardening. Do you teach your younger brother? Okay, so if you teach your younger brother, then you can write yes, I teach my younger brother. Your 17 number question is that do you like lavish living? Guys, lavish living means the person who spend too much money, the person who lives luxurious life. Okay, like spend too much life. Okay, so you can write do you like lavish living? It means the person who spend too much money in their life. So you can say no, I don't like lavish living. If you don't like, then you can say no, I don't like lavish living. If you like lavish living, like, then you can say yes, I like lavish living life. Okay. Your 18 number question is that does your friend like simple living? Okay. So if your friend like simple living, then you can say yes, my friend likes simple living, and I also like simple living. Okay. Your 19 number question is that do you want to migrate from Bihar? It means, guys, you leave your Bihar, and you after that you go in another place for living there permanent. Migrant means you are going another state for living permanently. So this is called migrate. So no, I don't want to migrate from Bihar. Okay, because Bihar is my native place. I don't want to live in another state. Okay, I want to live in Bihar because Bihar is my native place and I'll never leave my native place. Okay. Your 20 number question is that like this is your last question. Which state do you appreciate most? Okay, like you admire most. Which state do you admire most or appreciate most? Okay, so I appreciate most Bihar. Okay, guys, because Bihar is my native place and I appreciate most Bihar. So guys, this is your uh, like 20 questions video, and I hope you all have understood very well, and we will meet very soon in my next video. Guys, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.